Hey everyone! For this video, I'll teach you how to share your screen with audio on Messenger. With this tutorial, you will be able to stream movies or watch videos together on Messenger. So the first step is to open Messenger. And then, you can get in a call with your friend. So once you're actually in the call, you can have effects on your face, which if you do a certain move, it will change your face and your voice. And if you scroll down even more, there will be a button that says share your screen. So just tap on that and your screen will immediately be shared. So your friends or family can watch videos with you together. Or you can do PowerPoint presentations through Messenger. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.